hello, my friends. A few weeks ago, Jan and I flew to the Netherlands to take part in a bike boat tour of the northern islands of the Netherlands. It was a great time. We sailed on a 177-foot, three-masted sailboat. It was an old boat, about 65 years old. It was fully equipped. We had our own chef, and we went island hopping from place to place where we cycled just about every day. The tour was sponsored by a company from the Netherlands called Bike Boat Tours. And in no way was I sponsored to make this video or paid in any way, no free trip or anything. Would have been nice. I just wanted to share this adventure with you. So come with me as we disembark from the small town of Enkhuizen on the Mare van Fryslan sailboat and head out to sea to find our first island of Texel. Well, we had our first day of cycling this morning and it was quite nice. We had inclement weather, so I didn't do any filming. But now we have boarded our sailboat and we will be heading out to our next island. I believe it's called Texel. So we'll see how things go.
So I think estimated time at the ship logs, it's around 5:30, 5 o'clock.
Very heavy. And Jan is very busy up front holding the halyard to make sure the sail doesn't get away. So it's a beautiful morning here on the island of Texel to ride bikes along the coast of the ocean, and we have company. Hi there, Mr. Sheep. How are you doing? Looks like the whole herd is here. So very peaceful and enjoyable this morning. So let's get moving. Well, we just stopped for a drink on this beautiful day. So Jan, how has your ride been so far?
It's been beautiful.
Isn't it?
Yes, right along the ocean with a nice breeze in the air and the smell of salt. It doesn't get too much better than this.
Right. When we started out, it was a bit chilly, but we took our jackets off and we're enjoying the ride. So we went from beautiful views of the ocean now to beautiful views of the farmland. Oh, what a beautiful little house. Well, after about 15 miles, Jan decided to go back to the boat, and I'm going to continue on to enjoy this Dutch countryside. It sure is beautiful. So let's go. Hello. Very windy, but fun. Make sure no one's coming. Nice little path. Watch it, birdie. Yes, we go this way. Hello. 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 Well, I stopped on the side of the road. I think I've done about 26 miles today, and it's a beautiful day. I just realized this helmet's a bit small. It's a rental along with a bike, so what are you going to do? But it's tight enough, and if I fall down, I won't get hurt. Hey, before we get going, let me show you this rental bike. Got a headlight in the front if you want to ride at night. Some kind of disc brakes. And of course, this is the name of the company that has provided the tour, called Boat Bike Tours. The chain is completely covered so you won't get your pants dirty. Flat pedals. And they provide one pannier to put all your stuff in. A little rack on the back. Fenders. And a seat. Might I add, that's not my infinity seat. What are you gonna do? It's a rental. And I can mount my forward-facing camera with a little clamp that I have. The route is on Ride with GPS, and it's downloaded for offline use. And we have a 7-speed twist shifter. So these bikes are very easy for anybody to ride. The seat post has a clamp on it so you can raise it and lower it depending on your height. And the handlebar stem is adjustable. Would I like to be riding my Priority 600X? Yes, I would. Or my gravel bike? Yes. But this is much more convenient, and for the type of terrain, which is totally flat, it's perfectly fine. So we're having a good time. Let's get moving down the road. Nice little village. Hello. Got some rolling hills. Hi. Well, on this beautiful day, I'm almost done with my ride. I've only got about 3 more miles. It's been a really beautiful day. So I'm looking forward to a nice dinner tonight, and we have an excellent chef, and we'll see what he has in store for us. Let's move on down the road, shall we? 3 miles to go. And I'm back to our boat. Well, I'm all done with my ride for today. It was a little over 35 miles, and it was glorious. I'm back to the boat, as you can see in the background. And I'm looking forward to go take a walk with Jan and then dinner on board. It's gonna be great. So that's it for now. So I'm back aboard the boat, and I'd like to give you a little tour of our cabin. We're in number 10, the Texel room. Here we are. Our home away from home. It does have some pretty harsh lighting in here, but I just want to give you a feel for where we're staying. So our sleeping quarters are quite nice. We have a little table here. And at night when I want to read a book, there's a nice little light right behind the pillow. Here's a map of the area on the wall. And we are sailing in the Wadden Sea. We have a nice hatch that's open most all the time for ventilation. We have a very nice cupboard. We have a little safe in the back, and we can store all of our clothes and our dirty clothes. And we can hang up a couple of jackets right next to it. And now taking a look at our head. Pretty basic, but it's nice and functional. We have a good sized shower. And of course, the very important throne. And we also have a hatch in here. So we're very satisfied with this room that we have. Well, so that was the end of the filming for the day. We had an excellent dinner prepared by our own chef on board, and we had a great night's sleep and got ready to sail to our next island of Fryslan. So why don't you join me for that adventure coming up real soon. So stay tuned, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you'll know when the next video will come up. And thanks again. And as always, happy pedaling.